Alright, as soon as we do this wall, we're almost done with page 23, people. You know what that means. After 23 becomes the last page of the book is next. And I must say, as humbly as I possibly can, I'm very happy with the layout of the next page. It is what I've been looking for. Learning new things about laying out, about comic design, designing the pages. So stay tuned. That's what you call a tease, people. That's what you call... Tune in at 11. Tune in at page 24. The world ending at 10 o'clock. Tune in at 11. So, Rev the Storyteller, is your church online, or are you in real RIL? Are you in real life? There are many online churches now, so that's why I have to ask. In real life. Wow. You got bricks and mortar. So speaking of bricks and mortar, so the one of the things that I do, that I did like about the previous church is that they have they go to the homeless. They go onto the street on Saturday mornings, and they put out a table and put some shirts and some snacks and some, necessities, toiletries. And I said to somebody, there's the brick and mortar mission around the corner, but this is like a food truck version of Mission for the Homeless. So I will continue going to that. So it made me realize that there are so many things that, I can't start a business because I don't have money for real estate. I have to rent have to rent a storefront. I have to put out a shingle, when all you really have to do is put out a table. Simply watching. Just watching. Alright, I'm gonna sit down. Didn't realize I was standing up this whole time. Ugh. Hello? Oh, that's my thumb. So I have been working like it's my job recently. Working at the workplace, meaning I have not had much time to work and lurk on Twitch like I usually do from home. So I have not seen things like Black Cat Dapper Pastor. I have not seen Ukulele for Worship. And it will be just one more week of that. So I will be back to my Twitch viewership this coming week. So for those of you who missed me, or for those of you who thought it was something that you said, it was not anything you said. I've just been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. And I'll be sleeping like a log.